Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling a word that's often used in debates and discussions. Incontrovertible. It might look daunting, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is incontrovertible. Let's break it down. First, we have in, which sounds like the word in inbox. Next is con, which sounds like con in constant. Then comes true, which sounds like the true in truck. After that, var, which rhymes with fur and is stressed. Finally, t-bool, where t sounds like tick and bool sounds like bulb. Now, let's put it all together. Incontrovertible. Try repeating after me. Incontrovertible. Now a little faster. Incontrovertible. And at full speed. Incontrovertible. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Incontrovertible means something that cannot be disputed or denied, something that is absolutely certain and irrefutable. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce incontrovertible and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.